Hey guys, I'm going to talk about how I am controlling my servos. I have currently 13 servo controlling all my turnouts, and I'm controlling that using Arduino and PCA9685. You can get that from Amazon. Both of them are pretty cheap. So Arduino Mega right now I'm seeing $16, and PCA9685 for $5. Okay, so you got that, and you also need to get a external power source for PCA9685 because Arduino Mega or Arduino Uno won't be able to power all the servo motors. So you need to get 5-volt power supply for PCA9685. And you also need to get a driver for IDE program. I'll post the link so you can download it and you can put it in your library, and then you can upload this code to your Arduino. And I strongly recommend getting Arduino Mega rather than Uno, since you have more digital pins and that will maximize the function that you can use for PCA9685. Alright, so let's begin. And this is the code, and I'm only going to talk about what you have to know. There are a lot of stuff here, but there are only small things that you need to change in order to work this code for your needs. And let's dive in. So first thing first, number point 13. Okay, I have this 13 because I have 13 servo motors working. This can be anything, however many servos that you have. So let's say like 20, you have 20 servo motors working. You have to change this to 20. Otherwise, 7 out of your 20 won't be working because this is limited to 13. All right, so let's say you have 5. All right, in that case, you don't have to worry about anything because, if you change to 5 of them, only 5 is going to be working, and the rest of you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so another point, you need to change this to however many servo motors you're using. Now, the next point is here. This is the most important part. You see 5 numbers here, 2, 3, 4, 200, 280. First 3 is digital pins. The first one is toggle switch. Using digital pin number 2 for toggle switch and digital pin number 3 and 4 for LED. Let's talk about toggle switch for a little bit. So there are 3 prong and 2 prong toggle switch. I'm using 2. 3 has on, medium, middle, off. And I think middle one is neutral or something like that. So I'm only using 2, either on, thrown, or on or off. And that will determine which direction the turnout is being thrown. Number 3 and number 4, like I said, is LED. I have 2 LEDs indicating which direction it is thrown. 200 and 280, that's the angle of the servo motors. Now you will need to determine each servo motor has specific angles. And Tom's Training Things has a video for you in order to determine what angle your servo motor can move. And after you determine that, you will need to put in a specific angle for your turnout needs. Okay, so that's that. Again, toggle switch, LED, LED. So let's say you run into a situation that you will need to change 2 servo motors with 1 toggle switch. Well, I have a solution for you. For example, this one. You just have to make the same number for toggle switch to control 2 servos. So for this one, the toggle switch digital pin is number 8. But I have total 4 LEDs and 2 servo motors being controlled by the same toggle switch, digital pin number 8. Now, theoretically speaking, you can probably control more than 2 servo motors with 1 toggle switch. Don't quote me on that though, because I haven't done it. That's just theoretically speaking, that's possible. Okay, so that's the majority of it. It really is simple. It is currently set at pretty slow speed as far as servo motor speed is concerned. This delay controls the speed. So if you do not like the speed that is currently set, you can definitely change it and make it either faster or slower. It's up to you. Just play around and see. Alrighty, so if you have any questions, just shoot me a message. I'll try to answer as much as possible. Thank you.